हो करतो.
ओके. स्टार्ट.
रेकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करतो. Hello, good morning, sir. Myself
Good
Omkar
morning.
Sutar. Good morning, sir. Myself Omkar Sutar. USA number 2MM17ME 410. I have internship seminar on company Abhishek Alloy Private Limited under the guidance of Professor Anand Kadi sir. So next slide is contents. Next slide. Introduction about Private Limited is a medium scale industry situated at Machi Industrial Estate, Belgaum. It is promoted by Shri Madhva N. Acharya, the managing director of organization. The manufacturing process started in the year of 1981 under the name of shifted to Abhishek Alloy Private Limited in the year 1994. It has increased its production capacity 200 tons per year to 3,000 per year. Area of the company is 2.5 acres. The production of the products are CI and SG cast iron. The products of this company is automobiles, hydraulics, power generators, construction, and OEMs. The total employees are 20 to 49. Sir. The next slide is company name, address, and phone number and email ID. Sir. So next, in Abhishek Alloy, 3 plants is there. First plant is RC sand making. Sir, RC sand is resin coated sand. Is a mixture of quartz sand and resin. The raw material of this sand is silica sand and ceramic sand. Some additives are added in this RC coated sand that are hardener, red oxide, and resin. And these contents are depend on the capacity of the machine, which is 150 kg and 120 kg. And the process temperature for making of RC sand is 140 degree to 200 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
So next is the resin coated sand mixture machine. Next is the testing of RC sand. The first one is AFS checking machine. It is used to find the finest number of a sand. Next one is peel back testing machine. It is used to finding layer of shell sand which peels away. Then HTS machine is used to check the tensile test on the sand specimen. Gas evaluation is used to check the carbon content in the sand. Then transfer strength is used to check the bending strength of a sand material. Next, plant number 2. Here the shell molding and core are developed. The first is shell molding. Shell molding is a molding process invented by German engineer Johannes Kroning in the mid-90s. Like other molding, it object often of a base material. Shell molding is a unique, however, because it is resin-covered sand as a base material. When the sand is poured into the heated mold, it fills the mold cavity while reacting with the heat. This reaction causes some of the resin-covered sand to form the shell inside the mold, which is removed using injector pins. Then the cores. A core is a device used to casting and molding process to produce internal cavities. Next is shell shooting machine. Then plant number 3, foundry. A foundry is a factory that produces metal casting. Metals are cast into shape by melting them into a liquid, pouring the metal into the mold and removing the mold material after the metal has solidified and it's cooled. Shell mold casting allows the use of both ferrous and non-ferrous material, most commonly using cast iron, carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, aluminum alloy, and copper alloy. The shell molding casting process consists of the following steps. First one is pattern creation, second one mold creation, third one mold assembly, fourth one pouring, fifth one cooling, and finally is casting removal. Then testing of casting material. First is digital hardness testing machine. Here the diamond indenter is used to check the hardness of a material, and polishing machine. Polishing machine used to polish the surface of a material to check the microstructure of a material. Then spectroanalyzer,
In microstructure, what you are going to check?
the material contents and other additives are added that
How you are check the microstructures? On which machine? Anything micro
sir.
hardness tester is there?
Sir, microstructure machine are that microscope is used to check the microstructure of a material,
Okay.
that
How you are
lines
going
and
to how you are going to check the hardness?
hardness is a process to penetrate the surface of a material and resistance to scratch on the surface of a material.
Whatever castings are there, have you checked any product for the hardness test? And what are the HRC for that? Rockwell hardness numbers. Have you checked any product there?
Sir, in college, I have seen used to CI and steel, sir, that they're using a Brinell hardness and Rockwell hardness test, sir. There, the ball indenter is used to check the hardness of a material. They are applying the pressure on the surface of a material and check the hardness of a.
Directly on the dial, they will get the hardness. Okay. Next, proceed. Next, go
is
ahead.
shoot blast. Next slide is shoot blasting.
Short blasting. Okay.
Shot blasting. The shot blasting machine makes use of a mechanical method of propelling abrasive using a centrifugal wheel to remove a layer of a surface and impurities from the surface of a metal and steel products. It is used for surface protection and for future processing, such as welding, coldering, etc. Plant for machining. In companies, CNC, VMC, and HMC machines are used for machining the products.
What is mean by CNC, VMC, and HMC first?
CNC is a computer numerical control. VMC is vertical machining center, and HMC is horizontal machining center.
What type of control they use on that all machine?
Sir, they using codes, sir. G codes and N codes.
FANUC control.
FANUC control, sir.
Okay. Have you seen any program, or have you developed any program for any machining process?
Yes, sir.
Or
In
you are
college.
seen from some distance only?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What type of coolant they use on that machine? What type
Sir,
of coolant?
they using soap oil as a coolant.
For what purpose coolant is used?
To decrease the temperature of a material while machining is happening, sir.
Any other use?
And oil and also and water, sir.
Okay. Go ahead.
Types of products made in company. Next slide, sir. Then customers of the company and knowledge gain. Technical and non-technical. In technical, this internship help us to understand the multiple processes carried out in all the department of the industry, like sand coating, molding, casting, machining, and testing. Was able to know how new projects were implemented by industry as per the customer requirement. acquired the knowledge of various products manufactured and quality control in the industry. Non-technical is time management, gained soft skill and knowledge, and safety measures to be taken at the workplace, and coordination and communication between employees. Then conclusion, sir. It was a great learning experience for me doing internship at Abhishek Alloy Private Limited. The staff of the organization were very cooperative and supportive by providing me necessary information and guidance. I also learned in depth about sand coating, molding, casting, machining, and testing followed in the industry. This visit helps me to clear the concept, which will be surely beneficial for me in the future. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Omkar. What are the different defects are there in the product when you get a casting?
Sir, if the casting is not cooled properly, some cracks, some extra rough surface, and some completely hardened material not get, sir. If cooling process is not done properly, sir.
Okay. Any other defects?
In other, sir, if the material contents while the pouring into the while adding the material for casting, sir, if the contents of the material is not properly, then the material will not get harder, or it causes
Okay. How they check the cracks? How they check the cracks? If any other different machine is there to check the cracks?
It is available, sir, but they used to only.
So machine is there.
So microscope.
Only microscope. Okay. Omkar, you have chosen a very good company, and you did your seminar, your slides and all very nicely. I explain all the processes, all the plant information you are, and you so whatever question I ask, you explain very nicely. So keep it up. And what is you find about the teamwork into the factory? What do you find? What is meant by teamwork?
So time
How is the
management.
working condition?
Time management, teamwork, sir, and knowledge sharing, sir, and.
Okay. Are you interested in work in foundry? Are you interested to
Yes,
work
sir.
in foundry?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because the working condition or working environment in the foundry is very horrible. So you have to sustain in such an environment. So it is somewhat horrible. So many people not choose the foundry, but still there is a very scope in the foundries. So once again, Omkar, you have given a very nice seminar and you have answered all the questions. Very good. All the best for your future. Save the link and send it to me. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.